Hello children, this is Madhvi. I am ready with another interesting activity based class of mathematics. Before that, I hope you all are safe and healthy, staying at home doing all the interesting activities and worksheets given by our teachers. Today, in this activity, we will learn about how to make 3 by 3 magic square using 9 numbers. First, let me explain the skills required for it. What is a magic square? If the sum of digits of all the rows, columns and diagonals is the same, we call it as a magic square. And the skills required for it are the knowledge of consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers means the continuous numbers according to the given condition. I repeat, the consecutive numbers means continuous numbers according to the given condition. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on are consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The consecutive even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. The next skill we require for making this magic square is the knowledge of consecutive multiples of any number. For example, the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8. Consecutive multiples. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, so on are the consecutive multiples of 3. Another skill we require is number sequence obtained by skip counting. You all know very well about skip counting, but still let us see. Skip count by 3 means I am starting with 2, skip 3 numbers, that is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, so on. Skip count by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, so on. Skip count by 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, so on. Come on, let us start making our 3 by 3 magic square using 9 numbers. First, draw a grid of square which has 3 rows and 3 columns. The horizontal ones are called rows, the vertical ones are called columns. Now, show 4 projections. 4 projections on the same grid in this way. We have to show 4 projections on the same square grid in this way. To make you understand easy way, I am taking single digit numbers and I am writing that 9 numbers in this order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Children, observe carefully the way I have written. After writing the numbers, now we have to shift the number which is here to this place. See the green arrow mark and follow it. This number is to be shifted here. In the same way, this number which is in this projection is to be shifted into this box. Follow the arrow mark, please. Next, the number which is in this projection is to be shifted into this box. The number which is in this projection is to be shifted into this box. After arranging the digits, we will get this type of square grid where already shifted numbers are written. Now, let us check the sum of digits in the first row. 2 plus 7 plus 6, which gives us 15. First row's sum is equal to 15. Second row's sum of digits, 9 plus 5 plus 1, is equal to 15. Similarly, third row's sum of digits is also equal to 15. 4 plus 3 plus 8 is equal to 15. Now let us check column wise. First column sum of digits, 2 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to 15. 7 plus 5 plus 3. Second column sum is also equal to 15. Third column's sum of digits, 6 plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 15. Not only that, don't forget to check diagonally also. Let me take this as diagonal 1 and this as diagonal 2. Let us check the sum of digits. 2 plus 5 plus 8, which gives us again 15. Second diagonal sum is also 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 15. As all sums are 15, the magic constant is 15. Hence, we get a magic square of 3 by 3 order. Children, here is an important note for you. You have to try maximum with integers this activity so that your addition and subtraction skills in integers will improve a lot. Hope you enjoyed the activity. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.